Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Dunrobin Primary from St. Andrew up against Allman Town Primary from Kingston. I'm your host Kadeen Foot and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the coin toss, Dunrobin Primary won and decided to send in Allman Town Primary first. So we'll begin with Allman Town Primary. And in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Allman Town, who replaced the prophet Elijah?
Samuel.
Incorrect, it's Elisha. Dunrobin, who replaced Moses as leader of Israel?
Isaiah.
The bell beat you to it, so the question passes to Allman Town. Would you like to try?
Yes, Miss. Joshua.
That is correct. Still with you, Allman Town. Science. What is the name for the muscles in the human eye which alter the shape of the lens?
Ciliary muscles.
Correct. Dunrobin, what is the name for the flow of blood through your heart and around your body?
Blood circulation.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Allman Town, who is the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs?
Desmond Mackenzie.
Incorrect, it's Honorable Marlene Malahoo Fort. Dunrobin, who is the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce? Question passes to Allman Town. Would you like to try?
Yes, Miss. Auburn Hill.
Judges? Okay, wrong answer came first. It's actually Auburn Hill. We move on to English language. Allman Town, spell strengthen.
Strength. En.
Incorrect, it's Strengthen. Dunrobin, your question. Spell believer.
Believer.
Correct. We move on to television. Allman Town, on which day in TVJ's primetime news is the feature A Ray of Hope aired?
Thursday.
Incorrect, it's Mondays. Dunrobin, on which day in TVJ's primetime news is the feature Bite of the Week aired?
Tuesday.
Incorrect, it's Fridays. General knowledge, Allman Town, what is the name given to the young of a deer? Question passes to Dunrobin. Would you like to try?
No, thank you, Miss.
It's fawn or calf. Still with you, Dunrobin. What is the name given to the young of an eel? Question passes to Allman Town. Would you like to try?
No, Miss.
It's an elver. Social studies, Allman Town, which natural disaster features storms ranging from category 1 to 5?
Hurricanes.
Correct. Dunrobin, during which months are the Atlantic hurricane season?
June to November.
Correct. Music, Allman Town, what lowers a musical note by a semitone? Is it a sharp or a flat?
A flat.
Correct. Dunrobin, is a sharp or flat written before or after a musical note?
Before.
Correct. And that bell ends the first section of our match with Dunrobin Primary on 4 and Allman Town Primary also on 4. So we have a tied match going into our first break. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.